sex today. How fun is that? So thrilled to have you all here. I'm so excited for you, and I'm so thrilled that we're finally able to put this into a course where more people can have access to having awesomeness in their marriage. For most of you probably know who I am, Laura Brotherson, author of a couple of books, especially knowing her intimately, marriage and family therapist, certified sex therapist. Every time I would finish just one of these 12 modules, I would think, oh, if every woman in the world would only do this one module, it would make such a difference for them. It would bless their marriage, bless themselves, and bless their families ultimately as well. So I'm just delighted to be able to give you 12 of those modules that I think can dramatically transform your relationship with yourself and with your husband, especially sexually.